O and I. They make the sound oi. Like when you see a boat on the water and you want to call out, cup your hands together. This is the action. Oi, oi. Let's do it again. Oi, oi. Hey, good. Some words like oil and boil. And you boil the water so you can have a hot drink. Let's do it again. Oi, oi. Sailors met upon the sea. Oi, 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 oi. They found some oil way down deep. Oi, oi, ship ahoy. Oi, oi. Sailors met upon the sea. Oi, 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 oi. They found some oil way down deep. Oi, oi, ship ahoy. Oi, oi.
Roy's dad has a little boat called Sailor Boy. Sometimes in the summer, Roy is allowed to join in and help his dad on the boat. One morning, Roy, his dad, and Uncle Martin are taking the boat out. They pack all the things aboard and set off. They are really enjoying themselves when, bang, there is a loud noise as they hit something in the water. It is an oil drum. Oh dear, says Dad. It's made a hole. Just then they see a ship steaming along. Quick, says Dad, pointing at the ship. We'll shout for help. Oi, oi, ship ahoy! The sailors from the ship hear their voices and yell back. Oi, ship ahoy! Are you in trouble? Yes, we're sinking, help, they cry. The sailors help Roy and his dad get the boat back to port.